Chapter 14 Statistics. Example 1. Find the probability of getting ahead when a coin is tossed 1. When you toss a coin, you get two outcomes, either H or T. So let E be the event for getting ahead. So the formula says number of outcomes favorable to E upon number of possible outcomes, that is total is 2 and favorable is 1, so 1 upon 2, and same for tail. Now in the back there are red ball, blue ball and yellow ball. So let us find out. Total outcomes will be 3. Number of outcomes favorable to Y will be 1. So 1 upon 3. R will be 1 upon 3. Blue will be 1 upon 3. Now question number, example 3. Suppose we throw a die once. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? Now when you throw a die, you get 6 possible outcomes. So how many numbers will come greater than 4? 2. Okay. What is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Let us start. PE, number greater than 4, 2 upon 6. आया समझ में? Number greater than less than or equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 4. 4 upon 6 gives you 2 upon 3. Now we go to the next example. Card. Total how many? 52. BNAs, not BNAs. Chalo. There are 4 aces in a deck. Let E be the event. The card is an ace. Favorable outcome 4. Total outcome 52. Probability 4 upon 52, 1 upon 13. Okay. Let F be the event. The card drawn is not an ace. So 52 minus 4 will give you 48. So we get 48 upon 52 and you get the answer. Clear? Two players, Sangeeta and Reshma, play a tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. So what is the probability of Reshma winning the match? Let S and R denote the events that Sangeeta wins the match and Reshma wins the match. Okay. Probability of Sangeeta's winning will be PS 0.62. Reshma will be 1 minus PS. 1 minus 0.62 is 0.38. Very good question. Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays or same birthday? Total number of days are 365. Now, if Hamida's birthday is different from Savita, the number of favorable outcome will be 365 minus 1. कितना हो जाएगा? 364. So, P probability of that will be 364 upon 365. If same birthday, so 1 minus P, both have same birthday. So 1 minus 364 upon 365 gives you the answer. Now there are 40 students in a class, 10th, whom 25 girls and 15 boys. The class teacher has to select one student as a class representative. So now she writes the name of each student on a separate card. The cards being identical. ध्यान देना. Total number of students कितने हो जाएंगे? 25 plus 15, 40. Boys कितने हैं? 20. Girls 25. Okay. तो probability will be 25 upon 40, 5.8. Boys कितने हैं? 15. So P boy is equal to 1 minus P not boy, 1 minus P girl, 1 minus 5 upon 8 gives you 3 upon 8. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white, 4 red marbles. If the marble is drawn at a random from the box, what is the probability that it will be white, blue or red? 3 plus 2 plus 4 gives you 9. ठीक है. Probability of white कितने हैं? 2. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 upon 9. Probability of blue, how many are blue? There are 3. 3 upon 9. And red will be 4 upon 9. Example 9. Harpreet tosses 2 coins simultaneously. Say one is of rupees 1, another is of 2. So what is the probability that she gets at least one head? We write H for head, T for tail. Now when we toss 2 coins, the possible outcomes are HH, HT, TH, TT. Total 4. Okay. Chalo. The outcomes favorable to E, at least one head, are HH, HT, TH. तो कितने हो गए? 3. Total है 4. So probability will be 3 upon 4. The probability that Harpreet gets at least one head is 3 upon 4. Example 10. In a musical chair game, person playing the music has advised to stop playing the music at any time within 2 minutes after she starts playing. What is the probability that the music will stop within the first half minute after starting? The possible outcomes are all the numbers between 0 to 2. Let E be the event that music is stopped within the first half minute. The outcomes favorable to E are the points on the number line, that is 0 to half. Okay, so the probability will be half upon 2, that is 1 upon 4. See example 11. Then we go to example 12. A cartoon consists of 100 shirts. कितनी shirts है? 100. 88 are good or 8 have minor defects or 4 have major defects. चलो. The number of outcomes for Jimmy 88. तो probability will be 88 upon 100. ठीक है, 0.88. और सुजाता के लिए 96. तो 96 upon 100 कितना हो जाएगा? 0.96. 2 dice, 1 blue, 1 grey are thrown at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8, 13 or less than or equal to 12? 2 dice, 1 blue and 1 grey. This is for grey and this is for blue. So 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Accordingly, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 1 and 1 6 are different. Please take note. 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Now first they have asked for total is 8. तो 2 6 3 5 इसमें से फाइंड आउट करना है. 4 4 5 3 6 2. तो कितने हो गए? 1 2 3 4 5. सो फेवरेबल आउटकम 5. टोटल आउटकम्स 36. 6 into 6 36. Please take note. Very good example. Could be asked in board. PE will be 5 upon 36. Now there is no outcomes favorable to the event 13. Total sum 13 कहीं भी नहीं हो रहा है, तो no problem. 0 upon 36. तो we get 0. और लास्ट वन में लेस देन और इक्वल टू 12. तो कितने मिले? 36. ओके, सो 36 upon 36 gives you 1. So please practice them. Okay.